Welcome back, guys. So the first thing we need to do is obviously create our string that we're going to be using, and let's go ahead and do that, and I'll call it contact details, just like this. And let's go ahead and create some information. So I'll say David, I'll say Bullis, that's my last name, 20, and let's say something like this is my bio. And just one last thing, we can say lives in Australia. So as you can see, this is a single string saved inside our contact details, and as you can see, it's separated by comma. So this is my first name, comma, last name, age, bio, where I live, etc. Now the idea here is that we need to separate the string based on the commas. I will show you how you can also separate it based on anything else. So if you're not using commas and instead you're using anything like a slash or something, this should still work. Let's go ahead and continue. So I'm going to go ahead and say contact list, and we're going to pretty much turn this string inside of this list. So we're going to go ahead and say that the contact list is equal to contact details dot split, and then inside of our split over here, this is where we actually get to specify how we want to separate this string. So I want to separate it so that after every single comma, we separate it into a different character. So we can go ahead and simply pass in a comma just like this. Now all we need to do is print our contact list, and I'll be able to show you that this actually works. So let's go ahead and print it. As you can see, it does print contact list not as a single string, but instead as an array, or sorry, as a not as a single string, but as a list with different items inside of it. We can even print a specific location. So let's say you want the first name, we can say contact list and then item 0. And if we run this, sorry, I should have saved, and if I run this right now, as you can see, it prints out David. We can say something like 3, and if I run this again, let's always remember to save. If I run this, it will print out this is my bio, which is item 3 on our list. We can also assign it, so we can say something like age is equal to contact list, and then we can say it is 2. Now if I save this, and sorry, if I print age, save this and run it, you'll see that it will print out 20. So we have completely separated this string into an array separated by the comma. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like, leave a subscribe, let me know how I can improve, and see you next time.